Stop laughing. I can't help it. In this lesson, we are going to have a look at some different uses of help. We use both help do and help to do to mean make something easier or possible for another person. Help do is more common. Louis helps his neighbor get groceries. Mia's husband never helps her clean the house. Can't help doing means you are not able to control yourself. I can't help thinking about work. I couldn't help eating the whole bag of chips. Stop laughing. I can't help it. Help oneself means to take something yourself. Help yourself to some coffee. Great, thank you. Can I have some more wine? Of course, help yourself. Give it a go. Try making a sentence using help and leave it in the comments below. If you like our videos and you want to support us, please share them with a friend.